Today, I'm going to teach you how to post photos on your Facebook business page. Sharing visual content is one of the most effective ways to engage your audience and showcase your products or services. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage, which serves as your central hub for managing all your business page activities. From your homepage, locate the field at the top of your page that says "What's on your mind" and click on it. This is the starting point for creating any type of post on your business page. Clicking here will open up the posting interface where you can share updates, images, videos, and more with your followers. A Create Post window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll compose and customize your post before sharing it with your audience. From here, look for the section labeled Add to your post, which contains various options for enhancing your content. Within this section, you'll see several icons representing different types of media you can include. Look for the image icon, which typically looks like a small picture or photo gallery symbol. This icon is what allows you to add images to your business posts, making them more visually appealing and engaging. Click on this image icon. Once you click it, a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. This is your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the specific image you want to share. Browse through your files until you find the image you wish to add to your Facebook post. Click on the image to select it, then click the Open button. The image will immediately start uploading within your post. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so give it a second to complete. Once the upload is finished, simply click on Next to proceed to the final settings. A post settings window will appear, giving you full control over how and when your image post goes live. From here, you can set the post audience, determining exactly who will see your content, whether that's the general public, specific groups, or certain demographics. You'll also find schedule options if you'd prefer to publish the post at a later time rather than immediately. Additionally, if you wish to boost this image post to reach a wider audience through Facebook's advertising platform, you'll see a toggle button. Simply toggle this button to enable the boost feature. Once you've configured all your settings to your liking, click Post to publish your image to your Facebook business page. And there you have it, your photo is now live on your Facebook business page, ready to engage your audience and attract potential customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.